My name is Marc Russell. I'm a financial wellness board member with National Debt Relief. I have over a decade of experience working in the financial services world. And it's my goal to make very complex financial concepts that you hear every single day. I want to make them easier so you can transform your financial life. If you're in debt and looking for a way out, good for you for taking action. Just know that you are not defined as a person by the amount of debt that you have and that there's a way out. And I'm not just saying this, I'm speaking from experience here. Almost a decade ago, I had over $80,000 in debt. And honestly, I don't want anyone to feel like I did back then. And luckily, I was able to get my way out of it. And that's exactly the reason why I'm making these videos in collaboration with National Debt Relief to help anyone struggling with debt learn how to resolve theirs and show you how to transform your financial life for the better. If you don't know where to start and feel like you need some help getting out of debt, joining a debt relief program could be a powerful move. So in this video, I'm going to share info with you about the process that you will need to qualify for a program like that. And I'll carefully explain the steps that you need to go through when you join, the potential risk, and how to qualify for the program. Now you might be wondering, okay, Mark, I get it, but like, what is debt relief? So first, I want to explain to you what debt relief is so you understand what we're talking about here. This term is used somewhat loosely nowadays, but debt relief is essentially a term that covers a variety of different strategies and programs specifically designed to help you resolve your debts or get relief from your debts. These strategies and programs typically include a debt expert negotiating with your creditors to lower your interest rate, reduce your monthly payment, or settle parts of your debt. And it's all designed to help you reduce or resolve your debts in the fastest and least expensive way possible. The three most common types of debt relief are debt settlement, debt consolidation, and bankruptcy. Debt settlement involves settling all or parts of your debt, which can reduce your principal amount you owe in exchange for a lump sum payment or a decrease in your loan's interest rate. Debt consolidation refers to the process of consolidating multiple smaller debts into one larger debt, potentially making managing your debts easier and saving you money in interest. And finally, bankruptcy. There are some nuances in the different types of bankruptcy that I'll discuss in detail later in this video. In this video, I'll focus on the general process of debt relief, the risk associated with debt relief as a whole, and what you'll need to qualify and apply for debt relief. But if you want to learn more about the different types of debt relief, please check out the other videos on National Debt Relief's YouTube channel. In the video description below, you'll find a few links to videos where I go in detail about the different types of debt relief. All right, let's get into it. Let's move on to the general process of debt relief. This process typically starts with a thorough assessment of your financial situation. This involves a financial advisor or debt expert evaluating your income, expenses, and total debt burden to gauge which type of debt relief is the best way forward in your unique situation. Then, when you decided on your preferred debt relief method, you'll move forward. If you choose a debt settlement program, a debt expert will negotiate with their creditors on your behalf and try to lower your interest rate and monthly payment and settle part or all of your debts. After the negotiations are done, you should know your new monthly program payment amount. If you join a debt consolidation program, you should know your new monthly payment after your consolidation loan is approved. Based off your new payment, you and your dedicated debt expert will create a repayment plan. Typically, this includes a single monthly payment to the debt relief agency, which will then distribute the funds to your creditors. During the repayment period, you'll be in constant contact with your debt relief company to monitor your progress. This is a vital step in the process. Adjusting your repayment plan based on your financial situation can shorten or lengthen your total repayment time. And then, if all goes well and you stick to your repayment plan, over time, you should become debt-free. But before the debt expert can negotiate with your creditors and start drafting up a repayment plan, there are some steps to take and requirements you need to meet to apply for debt relief. Let's go over some of these potential requirements. To qualify for a debt relief program, you will likely need to show significant financial hardship. For debt settlement, you may need to have at least $7,500 in unsecured debt and be able to make your monthly payments to fund your settlement agreement. And you're probably like, okay, cool, Mark, what is unsecured debt? Unsecured debt is a debt that is not backed by a collateral like your home or your vehicle, meaning if you default on your debt, the lender cannot seize any of your assets. Examples of unsecured debt include credit cards, medical bills, personal loans, and student loans. Secured debt, on the other hand, is backed by an asset as a collateral. So if you happen to default on your loan, the lender may seize that asset to recover your debt. Common examples of secured debt are your mortgage or car loan. If you have less debt than the required threshold, however, however, there are other suitable debt relief options out there for you. And of course, you may always consult with your debt expert and see which options are available in your unique situation. As I said earlier, the debt relief process typically starts with diligently assessing your financial situation, which is done during a consultation call. During this call, you'll go over your current financial situation and decide on how to move forward with your debt expert. Now, if you decide to move forward with a debt relief program, you may need to provide an income and expense statement to prove your financial situation and allow your debt expert to understand all the details. Other documents that you may need are your tax return, debt statements, and credit card statements. Once you hand over the requested documents to the debt relief company and they decide that they can help you, you may finalize your application. And this may involve answering some additional detailed questions about your financial situation. Then when your application is approved, you do a little happy dance, and then you're ready to work your way towards becoming debt-free with the debt relief company. Remember, there's no shame in asking for help. Even I've struggled with debt before, and I promise you, I wish I asked for help even sooner than what I did. And remember, if you find yourself struggling with debt and you're looking for help in your journey towards becoming debt-free, debt relief companies like National Debt Relief are here to help. If you have any questions or would like a free, no obligation debt relief consultation call, visit their website at nationaldebtrelief.com/apply. If you happen to have any other questions regarding any other financial related topic, check out the other videos in a series on National Debt Relief's YouTube channel. It's our goal to make very complex financial concepts that you hear every single day. We want to make them easier so you can transform your financial life. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.